This is the 1080p waterproof rear view monitor for up to 4 cameras. SKU186898 or SKU55958. Available in both 7 and 10-inch versions, these monitors are 100% waterproof. They were originally designed to be used in military applications. Due to its reliability, we started using it in our civilian product line. This monitor will accept up to 4 cameras with over 10 unique split-screen viewing modes. With accessibility in mind, we have giant buttons on the face of the screen that can be toggled even with gloves. The military-grade durability makes it fully submersible in water and will work in temperatures ranging from -32 to 178 degrees Fahrenheit. The sockets on your 1080p HD cameras are 4-pin and will be compatible with this monitor. We are proud to say that this line of monitor is the most durable we have ever manufactured and is currently in use on elegant yachts as well as rugged tanks. If you want to get a little frisky, don't forget to upgrade the screen to its integrated DVR version, thus converting your entire system into one giant dash cam. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,400 verified 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!